If you're planning to start a website, launch an online business, or create a blog this year, then don't buy web hosting until you've seen this deal, because it could save you hundreds of dollars over the life of your hosting plan. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 85% off on its hosting plans, and if you use the special link in the description, you'll also receive an extra 20% discount automatically applied at checkout. Yes, that's right. You don't need to search for coupon codes on different websites. You don't need to copy or paste anything. Simply click the first link in the description and the discount is activated automatically. Now, let's talk about why so many people are choosing Hostinger. When you're starting a website, you need hosting that's fast, reliable, and easy to manage. But the problem is that many hosting providers charge high prices, especially when you add extra features. With this Hostinger offer, you can avoid paying full price while still getting premium hosting. And the benefits don't stop with the discount. When you claim this offer, you'll also receive free extra months added to your hosting plan. That means you're getting more hosting time without spending more money. You'll also get free SSL, which helps secure your website and protects your visitors' information. If you're planning to build a professional website, SSL is an essential feature. On eligible plans, you'll also receive a free domain name, helping you save even more during your website setup. Now, you might be wondering if this hosting is only for experienced developers. Not at all. Hostinger is designed for everyone. Whether you're creating your very first blog, launching a small business website, building an online portfolio, opening an e-commerce store, or installing WordPress, everything is designed to be simple and beginner-friendly. The control panel is easy to understand. Website setup takes only a few minutes, and you don't need advanced technical knowledge to get started. That's exactly why millions of website owners around the world trust Hostinger. It's known for fast performance, reliable uptime, affordable pricing, and an easy-to-use interface. But let's talk about something even more important. What if you're not satisfied? Hostinger offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try the hosting service, explore all the features, and if it doesn't meet your expectations, you can request a refund within the first 30 days. So there's very little risk involved. Now here's something you should keep in mind. Promotional discounts like this don't stay available forever. The up to 85% off offer, the extra 20% discount, and the additional free months can change or expire at any time. Once the promotion ends, you could end up paying significantly more for the exact same hosting plan. So if you've already decided to build a website, or even if you're planning to start one in the near future, this is a great opportunity to lock in the lowest price while it's available. Don't wait until the offer disappears. Click the first link in the description right now. Your coupon code will be applied automatically. You'll receive up to 85% off, an extra 20% discount, free extra months, free SSL, a free domain on eligible plans, and you'll be protected by the 30-day money-back guarantee. Take advantage of the biggest savings today, launch your website with confidence, and turn your idea into a live website without paying full price.